Welcome back to Omi's Book Review, where we dive deep into the most impactful books on business, startups, and personal growth. Today, we are breaking down one of the most influential books in the world of entrepreneurship, 0 to 1 Notes on Startups, or How to Build the Future by Peter Thiel. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, tech enthusiast, or simply curious about how to create something truly innovative, this book is a must-read. So, let's explore what makes 0 to 1 such a game changer. Before we jump into the core ideas, let's talk about Peter Thiel. He's not just any author, he's a Silicon Valley giant. Thiel co-founded PayPal, was the first outside investor in Facebook, and founded Palantir Technologies. This book is based on notes from a Stanford class Thiel taught, co-authored by his student Blake Masters. Published in 2014, 0 to 1 focuses on how startups can create groundbreaking innovations instead of merely competing in existing markets. The title 0 to 1 is central to Thiel's philosophy. He distinguishes between two types of progress. Horizontal progress, 1 to n, copying existing ideas and improving on them incrementally. Think of globalization or opening more restaurants. Vertical progress, 0 to 1, creating something entirely new that has never existed before. This is true innovation, like the invention of the smartphone or electric cars. Thiel argues that true wealth and progress come from going 0 to 1, from inventing rather than just scaling existing models. He challenges entrepreneurs to ask, what valuable company is nobody building? One of Thiel's most controversial and thought-provoking arguments is his defense of monopolies. While monopolies often have a negative reputation, Thiel flips this notion on its head. Monopolies like Google dominate because they've created something so unique that no one can compete. This allows them to think long-term and invest in innovation. Competition, on the other hand, often leads to cutthroat battles over tiny advantages, stifling creativity. Thiel suggests that startups should aim to create monopolies, not by being ruthless, but by building products so good that no one else can offer a substitute. Many entrepreneurs believe that a great product sells itself, but Thiel strongly disagrees. He argues that sales and distribution are just as important as the product itself. He breaks down distribution into tiers. Complex sales, high-value products that require personal selling, e.g., selling enterprise software. Personal sales, selling directly to customers, often requiring a relationship, e.g., real estate. Viral marketing, when the product markets itself through users, e.g., social media apps. Ignoring sales and distribution, Thiel warns, can doom even the most innovative products. Thiel introduces the concept of definite vs. indefinite optimism. Indefinite optimists believe the future will be better but have no concrete plans. Definite optimists believe the future will be better because they are actively working to make it better. Thiel urges entrepreneurs to be definite optimists, set bold goals and pursue them with intention. Passive waiting leads nowhere. While 0 to 1 is packed with insights, it's not without criticism. Some argue Thiel's praise of monopolies overlooks the potential for abuse of power. His focus on creating monopolies might not apply to every industry, especially small businesses. Thiel's views are often idealistic and may not consider market realities for all entrepreneurs. However, even critics acknowledge that Thiel's ideas push entrepreneurs to think differently and more ambitiously. In summary, 0 to 1 is a bold, thought-provoking guide for innovators. Its key takeaways include: aim to create something new, 0 to 1, not just improve existing models, 1 to n. Strive for monopoly by offering unique value. Uncover secrets others have missed. Lay strong foundations and prioritize sales as much as product development. Whether you agree with Thiel or not, his ideas will challenge you to think bigger and smarter about building the future. Thanks for watching. Have you read 0 to 1? What are your thoughts on Peter Thiel's ideas? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into transformative books. Until next time, keep innovating and building the future.